Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to get approved for level 2 options trading on Robinhood. Firstly, Robinhood assesses your eligibility for options trading based on your trading experience, your investment objectives, and your financial situation. To improve your chances, have a prior stock trading experience, demonstrate a high risk tolerance, and show a stable financial position. Open the Robinhood app and go to the menu icon. Select Settings, then Investing. Under Options Trading, tap Enable and start the application process. Answer Robinhood's questionnaire honestly but in a way that reflects experience and risk tolerance. Robinhood will ask about your trading experience, your investment objective, your income and net worth, and your risk tolerance. Getting quickly approved for options on Robinhood requires trading experience, a high risk tolerance, and a stable financial profile. If you don't qualify immediately, build experience through stock trading or reapply later.